So once again, welcome to my channel, brother. So now I am reveal my complete free AI 1% business. You can start now and start earning lots of money. So let's start. Here, complete 1% empire, building a high profitable solo business with Claude AI. Let's done. So here what you will learn, a solo architect paradigm, where 84% of the US business have no employee. Do you know? The new era came. It is no coding background, no management overhead, only massive capital. Means how? The new way is you can do instant code, automate sales, 24 by 7 support, automate sales and emotional design. So the development trap is what? The biggest mistake in AI business is biggest thing you think are cool rather than what people desperately need. You build what thing that you like more. You think that this is very nice, let's build it. But no, the people don't want that. The people want what? The problem, the solution. So see, instead of building an innovation, just you build now baby sleep guide and sell it on Etsy and Spotify, and you can earn a lots of money. See 7-day revenue, how much? So the emotional urgency matrix. People buy to solve stress, fear, insecurity, pain, or deep desire. So target the top right, okay? So you should do, see this is a graph how you can make a profit. So always try to make a business around parenting, sleep struggle, or senior dog mobility. See here the profit zone. If you are thinking about making a text compile form, or you may how to brush teeth, or aesthetic desktop wallpaper, you are gonna make any money. You cannot make any money. So be specific and focus on these two niche. I have already provided it. Go and check it out. So again, if you want much types of business ideas, any more different types of business idea, I have provided a link in description. Go and check it out. Okay. Here synthesizing demand. Here means what? Here raw data is extraction. How you can extract a raw data from the PDF or from the trend lab, pull the real research, then put that things on the cloud. It will search raw data in cloud and identify the core emotional trigger. You should focus on emotional trigger, because if you build a product on emotional trigger, then the profit will be more. Then you should do emotional refinement. Translate that robotic search term into a human pain point. At last, polished output. So do not use Claude just to write. Use it for analyze ROM, market pain, and engineer emotional resonance. Then what are your empire architect? For distinctly profitable execution model, you can make digital products, AI e-commerce, AI services, and faceless YouTube. So see, what are the digital products? Like you can create a micro guides. I have previously shown you that how a baby sleep guide made $19 within a $19,000 within a 7 days. You can also create like this. AI e-commerce. It is very amazing space where you can create a physical product and scale using AI ad engine. Means everything you will made prepare from AI and use for marketing. And AI services also you can provide to B2B, means business to business, like providing consultancy, how you can implement a automation in your business so that your business will rapidly grow. And at last your faceless YouTube channel. This is very important. It's very best niche, because everybody try shy of camera and speaking, so that they can easily prepare a faceless YouTube channel where they do not have to show their face, do not have to show their audio. They just need a proper audio, proper visuals, and a great story about that. Last, how first, so your digital product, how you can do digital product, how you can make digital product, which, so see, digital product cost is $0, no cost. Just you have to find the appropriate idea on which I can create a digital product. I have provided a free tool. Go and check it out in the description, where you can find the market gap and create a digital product. So first, create once and sell infinity. Like one example I've shown you, sleep guide which generated $19,286 within a 7 days. Can you imagine? Therapy mega pack which generated $80,000 over 3 years. And at last, ADHD worksheet, just $3.50 generating passively monthly income. Your zero cost product pipeline. First, what you have to do, structure and write. Claude AI maps and draft the comprehensive guide based on search data. Second, design and format. So use Canva. You know the Canva designing tool for copyright free and emotional imaginary. Then at last, distribute. How you can distribute it? You can upload your PDF or your guide on Etsy, Shopify for automate delivery upon purchase. So the creativity hack. So add creativity language directly to the cover. Example, by a parent who's been there 6 times. So this subsequently build instant emotional trust and massively increase conversion rates. So model 2 is what? Your AI e-commerce and JSON injection. So see, you can bypass your store interference. Tell him to rewrite the code. So see, find the emotional product, extract its JSON file very easily. Find that product, go to a website, tell them extract JSON format from this website. So it will extract all the JSON file, then paste into your code in any no code editing tool. See, it will create full. Then your infinite ad engine, still like an artist, automate unique variation. So what? Just you took out the best performing competitor ad, grab it, then put in Claude and ask him, give me a new angle using a German Shepherd and better emotional copy, and see it will generate a professional image prompt where you can use like Midjourney and Higgsfield and creates the output you see. How beautiful it is! How you can make lots of money from it. Your model 3 is high ticket AI service. If you pick any one service, means in AI, how to automate, how to bring leads, how to do sales, then you are gonna make lots of money. So see, it is only zero startup cost, just immediate cash flow and high margin. Like SEO optimized blog, we generated $5,500 per month. Resume optimization, how you can optimize your resume? This is a major problem. No, all are finding jobs, but if the resume is not good, then how they will get job? That's why you can create this. Again, many more ideas is available. Just go and check it out. Link in description. Don't forget. Then you're producting your fulfillment. Custom clothes film. This is amazing. Build a dedicated workflow to deliver maximum result with minimum like input. If client will give its raw data, the AI engine will create a custom prompt like skill executing, transform raw into a top tier sales for account. Then at last, it will give output complete resume. The result generated in second and deliver for a high ticket fee. So model 4, your best model, you can use it, Faceless YouTube channel. Just monetizing your pure digital attention without ever stepping in front of a camera. You're shy of camera, no? This is, go and try this. Why you are afraid? So see, you have to just create visuals. You can create using Midjourney, create image, ChatGPT or Nano Banana, many there. For voice, you can use 11 Labs, Speechify, again many more there. And for music and sound effects, just you go for CapCut editing. You can create what? Scary stories, whisper diaries, still imagine, and slow zooms. Like mini documentary. How did people sleep in medieval? At last, kids animation story. This because once small child start watching your video, every time whenever it sleep, whenever he or she eats, or whenever do anything, they will use that. At last, the faceless production stack. So see how you can do ideas and scripting using Claude. Generate your video concept, hook, full script, iterate like a human, right? Everything will do your Claude. Just give prompt and see. The visual assets, Midjourney Higgsfield. It will generate your B-rolls, means small clips, still images, animations. You can go and create. At last, for voice and audio, you can use 11 Labs, human voice, or on voice you can give. Then see, total blueprint I am providing you. See, if you are choosing digital product, then your startup time will be fast. Immediately you can create digital product and start sell. Tech skill very low. Profit margin is 100% and your scalability upside is infinite. Means you can grow massively. E-commerce. Startup time is medium. Tech skill is required little bit and profit margin is nearly 20 to 40%. Your scalability upgrade up to massive requires ad budget. Then your AI services. Fast. Tech skill required low and profit margin is high and scalability is active. Faceless YouTube channel. Startup cost is little bit slow, but the tech skill is medium. You require a video editing. then profit margin is 100% and your scalability is massive. Means it will grow, compound with time. So finding your unfair advantage. I have also provided your AI Ikigai. Ikigai, you will know that that book is available, which is help you to find your passion and monetize it. So pinpoint the exact niche that guarantee an advantage, like what you love, what you are good at, what you can be paid for, and what the world needs. Implementation strategy. Use Claude to analyze your background, passion, and market trend to automatically calculate your exact Ikigai intersection. So the 30-day execution sprint. I am providing you the blueprint also. So don't forget to subscribe the channel. Such content will come every day. This is my promise to you. So be tuned. A blueprint is useless without velocity. So from zero to revenue in a single month. So first 1 to 7 you have to do foundation and offer design. Second, outreach engine. Third, brand and authority signal. And at last, fulfillment iteration. So how you can architect or outreach? So day one, foundation. What should you do? So first you have to find your ikigai, to find your edge. Means what you are interested in, how you can monetize it. Select 1 to 4 business model. If you are failing problem in finding a business model or any business idea, I have provided a link in description. Go and check it out. This is my very amazing PDF. Go and check it out. So validate the emotional urgency of the your niche. Draft your core offer or product structure using Claude. And day 7 and 14, outreach. How you can outreach to maximum number of people. See, if you are done foundation, if you will not go to people, then you are not making any money. This is harsh truth. You have to approach people that I have learned these things. I have these skills. I can do these things for your skill, and I can improve your business like this. Like send 20 targeted messages, record personalized Loom video that how my system will help your business to grow. Use Claude to refine, customize your pitch script. Then in 7, authority and scale. So brand signal. Select any one platform. You can check use LinkedIn, YouTube, X. My recommendation, use LinkedIn because in LinkedIn the growth is easy. Post high value AI assisted content to create inbound leverages. Stop chasing clients, start attracting them. Post like this, that how my tool help this business to grow this, how my tool automate this work for that business. So post like this, okay. Then in day 21 30, book meetings, close initial client and sales, fulfill promises instantly using your custom Claude system, feed market feedback back into Claude to iterate your offer. So this is last. In an era where anyone can build anything, the speed of execution win. How much speed you are executing? Find a problem, execute. Problem, execute. So the final rule is velocity. So for today this much. If you like the video, you can comment if there are any improvement required. So every PDF links or every data link is available in the description. Go and check it out. So we'll meet on next video. For that, bye. Thank you for watching.